Hey guys, welcome back to another Flutter tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to add Appodeal advertisements into your Flutter application. So first of all, let's check our application, how it performs, and then I will show you how to implement them. In this video, I will implement banner, interstitial, and rewarded ad using Appodeal. So if we click this show banner, it will show a banner ad into your application. If we click the show interstitial, it will show an interstitial ad, which is a 5-second or 10-second ads, and then we have rewarded ad, which is around 30-second without skipping it. In this video I will show you how to implement all of them, and for this you need an Appodeal account, which you can create by going to appodeal.com and create an account here. Then come to the apps in here, add your app, and then after that copy this key. The good thing about Appodeal ads is that you can call from different networks, different platforms, like you can call the Facebook ads, AdMob ad, Unity ad, and all of them together, and the Appodeal will decide which one pays you the higher revenue. Then according to that it will show to the user, and as a result you will get higher revenue. If you come to the mediation setting, you can configure different advertisement networks. You can see AdMob is here, Amazon ads, App11, Facebook. We have all types of networks which you can configure. Some of them are simple, like AdMob. You have to just add your app ID and that's it. And some of them needs extra configuration. You have to go through all of them. And to call the Appodeal ads into our Flutter application, I will use this official package from Appodeal. I will link it in the description. You don't have to worry about the source code or anything. I will link all of it in the description. You can always reference to them and copy them. So without talking too much, let's get started with our video and see how we can implement this one. Okay, we will start with a fresh project, and I will link the source code for this project in the description. You can get and use it later on as a reference. First, you have to go to the pubspec YAML and import this Appodeal Flutter package, and then I will show you what you have to change in the build.gradle of project. These are the things you have to change: Kotlin version, add this Maven center and remove this one, and then you have to also add Maven center here and remove this one. Then in app build.gradle of app level, come down and you have to change the minimum sticker to 21, and then all the way down you have to do all the changes according to this one, and also add this implementation. Then we have to do one more change, which is, okay, in Android manifest you have to first use the internet permission, then you have to manually remove the location permissions, because Appodeal is importing these ones by default, and if your app doesn't require it you have to remove it manually, otherwise it will be imported and Play Store will make some problem with you. Then you have to copy this line, and inside the application tag use this tools replace label and give it this label, Android label, name of your app. Then also add this line. You have to create this XML file inside the resource folder, XML, and this one. You can copy these ones from the source code that I will link in the description. If you get error with this replace, be sure to add this line in the Android manifest, so you won't get anything. Again, you have to copy these lines for Appodeal ad, and this metadata is from AdMob ad account. You have to copy this and change this app ID with yours. You can get it from AdMob. You really need an AdMob account for this to use Appodeal. Then down below we don't have anything else to change. Alright, now we're ready to start with our main activity code. Okay, here first we have to import the library, and then down here I will say Appodeal, and it takes two arguments. You can pass iOS app key or Android app key. You can get this Android app key from your Appodeal account. In the website, once you logged in and created an account, you have to come to the apps, add app, you have to add your app, then inside your app this is your app key. Simply copy it and then come back to here, paste it here, and inside here we will do some initializations, and now we can call this thing Alright, so let me design 3 buttons which shows their respective advertisements. Down here I will create these functions one by one. So starting with our banner, here I will check if the banner ad is ready. You can simply check if the ad is not ready, then show this message, otherwise just show the message. You might wonder about this placement. You can get this placement name from here. If you come to your app, you can say placements. You can create ad placement here. So here I have already created banner 1, reward 1, enter 1, and this is the default one. Copy this, which all the reviews and everything, the ad will actually be shown from this placement name. It will find it automatically. You don't have to do anything. I will copy the same code from here, and inside the interstitial I will, and then in the rewarded we will also copy the same thing. So we're ready to show our banner, interstitial and rewarded. One more thing that you might think, what if we click on our advertisement, what will happen? That one we will control, and here in the initialization we have to do one more thing to handle the on click of the ads. For that, Appodeal also has an Appodeal dot set reward set banner callback. These are the specific names that you can get. You can get those names from here on interstitial load, on failed, on shown, same with banner, interstitial and rewarded. It's not a big deal. And again here, okay, now we are ready to test our app. The things you have to take in mind is, first you have to add your Android app ID, then you have to initialize, and initialization you have to specify your ad type that you're using. Then test mode should be on in case you're testing. If you're deploying your app, then remove this test mode. And then these are the callbacks which should be called in initialization. You don't have to call this callback every time you create or show the banner. That's not a good practice. You just have to call them once in the initialization, and these ones will be called anytime you show the banner. I mean, you call this show banner. Then you just create a function for them, check whether the banner is ready or whether the user having internet connection or not. You can handle all those things. I simply call this appodeal.show and specify your ad type and placement name. That's all. Let's test our app and see how it works. Alright, we have our app running in the device. Now let's go ahead and press the show banner. We will have our banner, then show interstitial. We will have our interstitial ad, and then likewise we have rewarded, which will show us the rewarded ads. So this is how we can integrate Appodeal ads into our Flutter application. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss such amazing videos in the future, and I will see you in the next video.